Alright, so what I'm gonna be doing today, I'm changing this hazard button to the JDM style hazard button. So I like this one a little bit better, and it was a cheap mod. So let's get to that. I'm not gonna explain how to take this dash off because it's pretty straightforward. There's probably other videos on that, so I'll cut to the part where I have the center part out. Pretty straightforward here. So this is the hazard button, which is gonna be this one, and it's only held in by 2 screws. And we'll go ahead and take that out. That's simple. Put the new one, same angle. Boom. Take the screws out of the old one. Let me put it like this first. That's it. So that part is done, which is easy. There, you'll see it. And I'll put it back. You want to plug it in. Before I put the whole dash in, I'm going to plug it in and just make sure that it's working and everything. There, and I just plugged in that wire and it's working. So I'm going to put everything back. That's it, simple as that. I think it looks much better than the stock one, which is this one. And this one also has like a dim glow. You can't see it now, but I'll do it at night when the lights are on. So there, quick, simple, and a cheap mod. So for everybody that doesn't know, like I said earlier, the JDM one has a glow to it, which looks so cool when it's on, as opposed to the stock one where it's basically just a triangle that glows. Here it's the whole button. It's the opposite. It looks so much better in my opinion. I suggest everybody do it. It's so cheap. It's like 30 or 40 bucks. I forgot what I paid for that button.